Hi, I'm Jessica. I've been here for about a year. Oh my God! You are so lucky. I don't have my phone on me.
Paul said it had to be done.
I play for DC Devastation. I'd like to play for that.
It's not my fault. They made me do it.
It's LJ. Grew up in San Diego.
Hi, my name is Cindy Poole. I work at GI. Oh my God! You guys suck!
This is the Waterfall interview.
Anybody got phones? Give me your phone quick.
I have money.
Oh, no, money's okay.
Yeah, give me your money quick.
Marcelo Margot, play for the Russian Legion.
Nice.
How's that working out for you? Thank you for getting my phone.
I'm right here, baby, for you.
The chair was too far forward.
I know. Fucking Coke Center.
Oh, you buddy.
Well, you know, Dave Pando, I just started. I'm Oliver Lang.
Yep.
Brian, I've been playing for 6 years. Knew it! Oh, my phone!
Get it out quick, dude. Get it out. Come over here.
You break my phone.
Get your phone out quick.
This is Mike McGowan from Team Prime, Birmingham, Alabama. The team's been together for 3 years. CFOA champs, 2010. T3X ball.
I fucking knew it!
I'm JT.
Michelle.
You're all wet.
My phone is in my pocket.
Come here, throw it over here, quick, throw it.
I'm about to whoop your motherfucking ass.
Whoop his ass.
Sean Scott here from CPX Sports, Director of Operations. Oh my God!
My name is Brian Radford. Nice.
Been playing paintball for about 9 years.
2, 1.
I knew it was going to happen. Thanks, man.
Congratulations,
That
gentlemen.
was like warm as shit. Coming to him, you're in it.
No, you're good. Hey, you can drink from your cup, whatever fell in it.
I'm Alex Goldstein.
Alright, buddy. You got it.
I just got one thing to say. Bukkake. Now you want to get somebody.
Here we go. Go get set up on our fucking water. Oh, yeah.
It sticks everywhere.
Hey.
Oh my God. It's getting dirty. Ha 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 ha!